Have you ever been in that time when the kiddos are sick, just passing their germs to the whole family? You're exhausted and barely scraping by. Life is lifing. This was me in the last 2 weeks. I got whiplash in my neck. I pulled a muscle, and so I was on crutches. The baby got her vaccines, and the family was sick, and it was just chaos. We were in what I call survival mode. So if you know, you know. But now we're trying to get things back together again, trying to get back to normal. So this video is our home reset, getting the house back in order after survival mode. So we're gonna spend 1 hour every day this week and focus on one area at a time to get this house back. This home set video is your motivation to get back on track. Let's start that clock and let's get busy. Hi, beautiful mamas. Welcome to Rhonda Be Organized, a motivational channel for cleaning, organizing, and everyday life as a stay-at-home mom and entrepreneur. First things first, we gotta catch up on the dishes. Of course, I have my scrubs and Crocs on, but I'm also going to grab a waterproof apron that I bought off of Amazon, some gloves because you got to protect those nails, and we're going to knock out these dishes. Let's clear the countertops, especially the kitchen bar, because if you're anything like me, this is the area where, I don't know, it's like a catch-all space. Everything just ends up there. Take out the trash and recycling, or in my case, delegate it to the husband. That's it for day one. Let's move on to day two. The living room, we're cleaning up the surfaces, picking up toys and any other knickknacks, putting everything back where it belongs. While I was down for the count, hubby did an awesome job of just keeping the living room tidy for me. So I'm just gonna have to use this multi-purpose bin to pick up just a couple items that were left out this morning. Because I was on crutches, I spent a lot of time, well, me and the baby, we spent a lot of time on the couch because, y'all, I messed up my muscles so bad that I can only go up and down the stairs once a day. That's all you got from me. Other than that, I was sitting on the couch just trying to figure my life out. But anywho, I really needed to clean this couch, so I'm wiping it down with a cloth and the water with just a little bit of Dawn. This couch is pre-treated, so it makes it easier to clean up. I highly recommend, if you have littles, get your furniture pre-treated. Don't forget to sanitize those things that are always being touched, like the remote. I also wipe down the end tables. Finish it off by vacuuming the floor. My baby is out cold, y'all. She ended up having an ear infection and needed some antibiotics. So she just wanted her mama, and that's what she got, okay? Moving on to day 3, I decided to do laundry since yesterday was just the living room and it was relatively easy. So we're going to tackle this laundry. Put on your favorite tunes, show, or in my case, an anime. Right now, I'm really into My Hero Academia. I know how much of a monster laundry can be. So if you need motivation, check out my laundry video below. Moving right along to day 4, the bedroom. We're going to change those sheets. I actually have to wash my blankets. So we're going to throw that in the wash machine. We're clearing the clutter off the nightstands, dressers, floors. Let's wipe down the nightstands, sanitize the remotes and the light switches, and lastly, vacuum the floor. Day 5 is the bathroom, or in my case, bathrooms. We're going to clean the countertops, the sink and mirror, change out those towels. And I even changed out my toothbrushes because that's just something I do whenever, people get sick in the house. Toothbrushes got to go. And then don't forget to wipe the light switches if your family was sick like mine. Of course, we're going to clean the shower or bathtub, whatever you have, the toilet, and then finish it off by sweeping and mopping the floor. Day 6 is what I'm calling a free-for-all. It's just a day where you're going to catch up with anything that you got behind in during the week. And since everyone's home is not the same, this is also can be a day where you're going to focus on the other areas of your house that you think need a little attention. That can be a playroom, an office, a hallway, or mudroom, whatever you and your family needs to get back on track. Let's start that 60-minute timer and let's get to work. Because tomorrow, day 7, is a day of rest. We're gonna take a little break before we start our week. You did it, mama. Give yourself a pat on the back. I am so proud of you. We got our home back to normal. We focused every day during the week on one area and we got things back on track. I am so proud of you. And now we can relax before getting ready for next week, where I will be going back into the spring cleaning, but the outdoor edition. So hopefully I'll see you next week. If you can please like and share this video and turn on that notification bell so we can meet up every Saturday at 1. Hope to see you soon. Bye.